Hey, let's go how to draw Captain Fiddles from the Garten of Banban. So let's do it. Very, very simple, very easy. We're gonna go through it together, okay? Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve over here for kind of the top of his body. Have a little bit of a bump maybe right there. Alright. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw a kind of circular section right here. So, well, not yet actually. I'm gonna draw the whole body first. Curve down on the right side over here for the arm, bend in the elbow. Over here on this side, down the arm, bend in the elbow. Right on. Out over here, and one of his fingers. Over here for the other finger. One of his fingers on this side, other finger on this side. Okay. Let's go over here to the top area now to kind of his kind of broad shoulder. So right here, kind of in the armpit area. By the way, I didn't hear about this till like a few months ago. Let me know if you're a big fan of this property, like the Garten of Banban. Like, please say, hey, what's up, or something. I really didn't know what it was till my cousin brought it to my attention. Curve over here for the leg. Curve over here for the leg. Down, in. Down, in. Right on. Curve over here upward. Curve over here upward. And then curve from underneath the body, right? A lot of him is, we're gonna have to kind of trace out his big body first. I think that's gonna be the easiest and the simplest. By the way, don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like learning stuff from, you know, media, whether it be Mario, whether it be dinosaurs or Garten of Banban or Among Us, anything. If you want to learn how to draw those things, we're gonna draw that kind of stuff every single day on the channel. So hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. There's no downside to this, and it's all for beginners. Gonna go over here on this side now, curve over here for the arm, and over here curve for the arm, right there. Over here on this side, curve here, and curve down. So that's gonna be the hardest part of the drawing, I think, is gonna be his outer body. A lot of the inside stuff is very simple, in my opinion. Really, really simple stuff. Gonna go over here, right here, drawing the lower part of his mouth. Pull up, because he's gonna have a tooth pulling up there. Down. Up over here. Tooth coming down. Alright. Line across for his open mouth there. Curve underneath. Fill it in. Fill it in. Go over here to the eyes now. That's going to be kind of the last, well, kind of the last things right here. We're going to draw you can draw them very low, kind of the teeth in the way, or you can draw them very high. It's really going to be up to you, but let's draw them middle over here. Circle. Over here on this side. Circle right there, right? We get as perfect as we can, right? We're not machines, so if you don't get a perfect circle, like right here for me. Over here now, curve. Over here, curve. Line underneath the mouth over here to kind of show that kind of, you know, curling open of the mouth. And now we're gonna fill this in except for a highlight. Let's put that highlight right there, like a square highlight. We're gonna fill it in. Right on, there you go. Fill it in, right there as well. Line, line, line over here. underneath the eyes there. Really bizarre character, honestly. Very surprised by it. But that is pretty much it. What I want to do lastly, well, I forgot about this, the feet. Curve right here for the toes. And then lastly, I'm going to go over here and draw a thick line on the outside of his body, okay? Outside. And I think what that does is it kind of brings it together. So if you want to learn how to draw cuteness, definitely check out the ebook I have. It is completely free. It was something that I used to sell, but now is totally free. I put it in the description. That's the only bad part. You have to find it in the description. It's basically the proportions of drawing something cute, right? It's not just you draw it small on the page. It has to do with connecting proportions to each other. And that's kind of what is happening. Like, that's kind of what you need to do. It is a visual ebook. So it's not like you have to read a bunch of junk. It's we're all artists, so we're probably more visual. We're obviously more visual than we are about reading. But you know, like you don't want to read a bunch of instructions. You want to see it. So it's mostly a lot of charts, and it is free, and it is six pages or something. Really short ebook. But once you see it, you know, kind of the proportions of stuff, you'll keep it in your memory forever, right? And that's something you're always gonna have. So definitely, if that interests you, drawing cute stuff maybe more efficiently or drawing it at all, go find that link in the description of this video. That's kind of the only catch. You have to go find it because I think it's in the middle there somewhere. Watch out. And that's fairly it. One other thing I want to kind of advise you on is I want you to be careful with kind of maybe making, how do you say this? If you make a mistake in marker, you can definitely clean it up, so don't worry about it. Like a line right there, a line right there. You can always kind of incorporate it as something else. Maybe not always, that's too far. But I encourage you to sketch and practice more in marker because it kind of teaches you, your subconscious, that you're not always going to have the ability to erase. And because you do that, you make less mistakes because of it. So I encourage you to sketch a little bit more marker. You don't always have to do it, but when you go back to pencil after marker, you're gonna be like, whoa, I can do that? Like it's amazing to do that. I think it's an amazing feeling. So definitely, I would encourage you to try marker out more, things that you can't erase or ink. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video. You can always reach me through the comments. Say, hey, what's up? I want you to draw this, or I want you to draw this, or I want a tutorial on this, or I want a different tutorial on this. Let's say you want to zoom in on like Godzilla's face or something like that as opposed to the body. Definitely reach out. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you soon. Okay? You guys are the Art Addicts. I think that's what I'm going to name you guys, the Art Addicts. Addicted to art. Thank you so much. I'll see you later.